Hello students, welcome to online lecture of 12th Math Second. Student, in last video we had seen inverse trigonometric function. We had started exercise 1.2 of question 1. Students, now we see question 2 of exercise 1.2. So let's start. What is the first question in question number second? Y is equal to x square into e raised to x. You differentiate with respect to x, what we get? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square into e raised to x. Now here you use the product rule. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So we get x square into derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x into derivative of x square. So x square as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x into 2x. Here common is x into e raised to x is common. So what remains? X plus 2. We have to find derivative of inverse function of y is equal to f of x is given by dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into e raised to x into bracket x plus 2. So this is our final answer. We have to here find inverse function of the given functions. That is, here we have to find not dy by dx, we have to find dx by dy. Okay. See student, second question in second, y is equal to x cos x. Here differentiate with respect to x, you get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cos x. Here also you use the product rule, that is first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. I had told you, you remember the basic formula of derivative, then you get the derivative chapter easy. So here we use the product rule, u into v. So x into d by dx of cos x plus cos x into d by dx of x. X as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x as it is, derivative of x is 1. So next step is minus sin x into x plus cos x. You write as cos x minus x sin x. The derivative of inverse function of y is equal to f of x is given by dy by dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So put the value of dy by dx 1 upon cos x minus x sin x. This is our final answer, that is inverse function. See third example, y is equal to x into 7 raised to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x into 7 raised to x. Students, here also you use the product rule. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So in x and 7 raised to x, which is the first x? X into derivative of 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to x into derivative of x. X as it is, derivative of 7 raised to x is derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Similarly, derivative of 7 raised to x is 7 raised to x into log 7 plus 7 raised to x as it is into derivative of x is 1. So what is the common here? 7 raised to x is common. So what remains? X log 7 plus 1. The derivative of inverse function of y is equal to f of x is given by dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 7 raised to x into x log 7 plus 1. This is final answer. Okay. See students, for the example, y is equal to x square log x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square plus log x. Take derivative separate on RHS, that is give derivative to each term in the RHS. D by dx of x square plus d by dx of log x. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. And what is the derivative of log x? Log x derivative is 1 upon x. So we get 2x plus 1 upon x. Okay. Now 2x raised x square plus 1 upon x. The derivative of inverse function of x is given by dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So put the value 1 upon 2x square plus 1 dividing by x. So final answer is x upon 2x square plus 1. Okay. Now see fifth question of question number second. Y is equal to x log x. Here we use the product rule. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x log x. That is, first means x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x. X into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x, as it is derivative of x is 1. X get cancelled, so remains 1 plus log x. We have to find derivative of inverse function. The derivative of inverse function of y is equal to f of x is given by dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x. This is the final answer. So students, here completed question number 2. Find the derivative of the inverse function of the following. Okay, now we will see question number 3 of exercise 1.2. So let's start. See what is question 3 first. Question 3 is what? Find the derivative of the inverse of the following function. Also their value at the point. The inverse पण काढायचं आहे आणि त्याची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. फर्स्ट y is equal to x raised to 5 plus 2x cube plus 3x at x is equal to 1. We have to find derivative of this function at x is equal to 1. So first you write y is equal to x raised to 5 plus 2x cube plus 3x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 5 plus 3x cube plus 3x. Now on the RHS, give derivative to each term. There are 3 terms present. So give derivative to each term on the RHS. So what happens? D by dx of x raised to 5 plus 2 into d by dx of x cube plus 3 into d by dx of x. Derivative of x raised to 5 is 5 into x raised to 4 plus 2 as it is. Derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of 3x is 3. So we get 5x raised to 4 plus 2 into 3x square plus 3 into derivative of x is 1. So you write 5x raised to 4 plus 3 to the 6x square plus 3. Now we have to find derivative of inverse function of y is equal to f of x. We write dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So put the value of dy by dx we had calculated above is equal to 1 upon 5x raised to 4 plus 6x square plus 3. This is the derivative we get. But we have to find this value at x is equal to 1. So we find dy by dx by dy is equal to 1 upon 5x raised to 4 plus 6x square plus 3 at x is equal to 1. That is, student, we have to put value of x 1. So we get 1 upon 5 into 1 raised to 4 plus 6 into 1 square plus 3. You simplify this. 1 upon 5 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 14. This is your final answer. See question 2 in question number 3. Y is equal to e raised to x plus 3x plus 2 at x is equal to 0. So write first given function y is equal to e raised to x plus 3x plus 2. Differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e raised to x plus 3x plus 2. So take separate differentiation, give differentiation to each term in the bracket. That is first derivative of e raised to x plus derivative of 3x plus derivative of 2. What is the derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x. Derivative of 3x is 3 and derivative of 2 is constant term 0. So we get e raised to x plus 3. Now the derivative of inverse function of y is equal to f of x is given by dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx is equal to 1 upon e raised to x plus 3. This is our final answer. But we want derivative of this function at x is equal to 0. So we put value of x as 0. So we get dx by dy at x is equal to 0. 1 upon e raised to 0 plus 3 is equal to 1 upon e raised to 0 value is 1. You know indices rule. Any function raised to 0 is answer 1. E raised to 0 is 1. 1 plus 3. So last final answer is 1 upon 4. Okay, understand? Students, see the next example. Y is equal to 3x square plus 2 log x cube at x is equal to 1. We have to find. First write y is equal to 3x square plus 2 log x cube. Here we use the logarithmic rule. See 2 log x cube you write as 2 into 3 log x. 3 काय आहे वर इंडेक्सला आहे तो काय होणार आहे मल्टिपल होणार आहे. log x raised to n is equal to n into log x असं लिहितो आपण. So here next step is 3x square plus 6 log x. How 6 becomes, understand? 2 into 3. So we get 3x square plus 6 log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get on the left hand side dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 3x square plus 6 log x. Here we give derivative to each function, that is d by dx of 3x square plus d by dx of 6 log x. What is the derivative of 3x square? 3 constant term as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x plus 6 as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So we get 3 to the 6x plus 6 upon x. You write denominator x as it is. Take LCM. 6 into x 6x square plus x upon x. This is the final answer. But we want derivative of function at x is equal to 2. We have to find inverse function. So we write the derivative of inverse function of y is equal to f of x is given by dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So we get 1 upon 6x square plus 6 upon x. After this step we get x upon 6x square plus 6. This is the derivative, but we want this derivative at x is equal to 1. So put the value of x as 1 in this final answer. So we get dx by dy is equal to x upon 6x square plus 6 at x is equal to 1. put the value of x as 1. 1 upon 6 into 1 square plus 6. 1 upon 6 plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 12. This is the last answer. Now see fourth example in question number 3. Y is equal to sine of x minus 2 bracket complete plus x square at x is equal to 2. Write first y is equal to sine x minus 2 plus x square. Differentiate with respect to x. At the left hand side we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine x minus 2 plus x square. So students, give derivative to each term. So next step is d by dx of sine x minus 2 plus d by dx of x square. What is the derivative of sin x? Sin x is derivative का है cos x. So here composite function is there. Not sin x is there. Sin x minus 2 is there. So first you find derivative of sin x minus 2 as cos x minus 2 into again derivative of x minus 2 plus derivative of x square is 2x. So we get cos x minus 2 into 1 minus 0 plus 2x is equal to cos x minus 2 plus 2x. This is dy by dx. Now the derivative of inverse function of y is equal to f of x is given by dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx is equal to 1 upon cos x minus 2 plus 2x. Okay. So we get at x is equal to 2, we have to find dx by dy. So dx by dy is equal to 1 upon cos x minus 2 plus 2x at x is equal to 2. We have to find this value at x is equal to 2. That is, we put x is equal to 2. जिथे जिथे x दिसते तिथं 2 ठेवायचं आहे. So we get 1 upon cos 0 x ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची 2. 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we get 1 upon cos 0 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4 and cos 0 is 1. So final answer is 1 upon 1 plus 4 is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, understand? Here we completed question number 3 of exercise 1.2. So students, your today's homework is solve practice set 1.2 question number 2 and question number 3 in your notebook. Okay, in the next video we will see remaining examples in practice set 1.2.